In a big bowl, beat 2 eggs until they are runny. Add 1 cup of plain food-fat yogurt to it. Add 1/4 cup of liquid oil. Add juice of 1 big lemon, some white or black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of finely grinded saffron powder, some salt, and beat everything until you get a smooth batter. To the batter, add 3 cups of fully cooked rice and mix. You can add cooked shredded chicken in between if you would like to. Add a little bit of dry barberry into it and mix. In a non-stick pot, add good amount of oil to cover the bottom. Pour all the rice mixture in the pot and make sure you press the rice to make it compact and firm. Wrap the lid with a clean tea towel and cover the pot firmly. Place it over the low flames for 30 minutes or until you see the edges of the rice are dry and look crispy. Once ready, turn the pot upside down over the serving dish. You need to be careful, the pot is very hot. And if you're lucky, you get a full rice cake shaped crispy tahchin. Listen to the sound of the crisp.